Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Open VS Code. If you want you can use any other text editor, but I personally like VS Code, so I will be using this. Click on this icon to create files and type the name of files. We need 3 files, in this case index.html, style.css and script.js, which I have already created as you guys can see. After creating the required files, then go to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Once you are in ChatGPT, in the below input field type, write a code for a to-do list using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once the code is generated by ChatGPT, copy the HTML code by clicking the copy button and go to VS Code and paste it in index.html file. Then do the same thing for the remaining code. Copy the CSS code for styling and paste it in style.css file in VS Code. Then finally go to the JavaScript code and copy the code and paste it in script.js file. Then save the files. Now open the HTML file in the browser, and now we can test the app by adding one or more tasks. As you can, the to-do list application is working fine. We can add any number of tasks, but there is no delete button to delete the task once the user complete it. So we can go to Chat to generate the code for the delete button. In ChatGPT, type add a delete button to the above code and the AI chatbot ChatGPT will generate the necessary code. Wait until the code is generated. Once the code is generated, go to the HTML code and copy the code by clicking the copy button and go to VS Code and paste it in index.html and do the same for the JavaScript code. Once done, save all the files in VS Code and open the app in the browser. Now test the app by adding some tasks, and as you can see now there is a delete button, but it is not looking very nice visually. The delete button works fine as it delete the completed task. To make it little visually better, we will go to ChatGPT and type give me CSS code for the above to-do list and make it beautiful. Now copy the generated CSS code and go to VS Code and paste the code in style.css and save the file, and then go to the browser to see how it looks. Once you refresh the browser, we can see the updated to-do list application, and this app now looks fine as we can test the app by adding and deleting the tasks. This is a simple app, but if you want to add more styling to this application or can add more functionality if you want. If you like the video, then please do subscribe and like and share it with your friends.